How many subsets of A, B, C, D, E, F contain at most 4 elements? Alright, now we could start trying to list out the things that contain 4 elements, but let's try and do the opposite. We know how to count up the total number of subsets. Okay. Total number of subsets of, well, there's 6 elements, 6 objects in this set, so it should be 2 to the power of 6. Okay, which you can quickly work out is 64. That's not a bad one. Okay. Now, instead of actually trying to work out how many have, because at most 4, you could talk about 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. There's a lot to going on there. Okay. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to count the number with 6 elements and the number with only 5 elements, and we're going to remove that from the total. Because if I've got a subset of this, it's going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 elements in it. If I count the ones with 6 and I count the ones with 5 and I get rid of them, what's left is the ones that have at most 4. And we do this because this is easier than counting the number with 0, counting the number with 1 element, 2 elements, 3, 4, and adding all those up. That's 5 numbers I have to work out. Here I only have 3 numbers I have to work out. Okay, so we're working a little smarter by counting the things we don't want and removing them from the total. Now, there's only one set that has all 6 of those elements, and that's if you took A, B, C, D, E, F as the subset of A, B, C, D, E, F. So there's one of those. How about 5 elements? Well, in order to get a 5-element subset, I have to remove one of the elements. One of the 6 goes away, you're left with just 5. I've got 6 choices of element to remove in order to make a 5-element subset. So there's 6 of them. B, C, D, E, F, A, C, D, E, F, A, B, D, E, F, A, B, C, E, F, A, B, C, D, F, and A, B, C, D, E, if you actually want to write them out. But instead, let's just think about our choices, be a little smarter about this. So the number with at most 4 is going to be all the subsets minus the ones that have more than 4. So 5 and 6 elements. So 64 minus 7, the answer is going to be 57. Now, this isn't to say you can't work out exactly how many have 4, exactly how many subsets have 3, and add all those up. But it's going to take a bit more work. Okay? So being smarter and counting the opposite helps us out here.